Do you have so many parties to attend this season? Make them more joyful with our Cheerful Giver Roll-On. Let's make this so that you have the right attitude for Christmas. With this recipe, you will go from here's your gift, Aunt Bertha, to here's your gift, Aunt Bertha. Hi, Katie Beltkamp here from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. It's time to get rid of distractions. Making is healing. Let's make this recipe. Here's what you need to make the recipe. Everything I'm using today in this video is from the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. I'm going to be using a Focus Essential Oil Blend and ylang, along with a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle from my big bonus box, and 10 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil, also found in my big bonus box. All right, to make this recipe, I am going to open up my roll-on. I'm going to add 4 drops of Focus Essential Oil Blend, and I'm going to use a funnel so that I don't spill. And I will add 1 drop of ylang. And now I'm going to fill the rest of my bottle up with fractionated coconut oil, and this is going to dilute my wonderfully smelling essential oils so that they are safe to apply on the skin. All right, and now I want to make sure the essential oils are diluted throughout the coconut oil, so I'm going to shake it to mix it. Last but not least, I need to label this roll-on so I know what's in it and I know how to use it. So this roll-on is called Cheerful Giver, and it uses oils that are uplifting and calming to help put you in the Christmas mood. And there you have it, the Cheerful Giver Roll-On. Roll before gift giving for a cheerful attitude. The Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box makes it so easy to make natural recipes just like this one. And don't forget to post pictures of your creations on social media so I can see it. Use hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. It's time to learn how to master essential oils.